Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to top up the washer fluid in your Dodge Grand Caravan, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So today I'm going to show you how to top up the washer fluid in your Dodge Grand Caravan. Now this is a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan 3.6 liter. The process should be exactly the same or very similar if you have a 2013, 14, all the way up to even 2019, 2020. You can leave a comment in the comment section down below of the year of your vehicle and let us know if it's exactly the same for you. But it's really easy to do, so let's get right into it. First off, go ahead and open up your hood. Make sure that the hood rod is securely in position so the hood doesn't fall on your head. Now what we're looking for is the washer fluid reservoir, and it's this one over here on the left hand side with the yellow lid and a picture of a windshield on it. You can go ahead and pop that open. Go ahead and grab your washer fluid and you can start topping up the reservoir. It takes a little bit more than a gallon when it's empty. If you're finding this a little bit difficult, you could also grab a funnel so you don't spill. If you live in climates where it goes below freezing, make sure you pick up washer fluid that won't freeze on you in the winter. You don't want to do any damage to your vehicle. So go ahead and snap that lid shut on the reservoir, and then you can close the hood. Watch your fingers while you do this. And it's that simple to top up your washer fluid. So I hope this video helped you out in topping up the washer fluid on your Dodge Grand Caravan. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching and take care.